Hello, kiddos, and welcome to our phonics class. Hope you all are doing great. In today's class, we are going to learn a new sound as always, but before that, let's quickly revise the previous sounds. Can you please say these sounds louder? The first is S, A, T, E, N, K, and K. Wow, that is great. Now, since you know these sounds, you deserve to learn a new sound, and we shall begin with a story. So, let's get started. It's almost the end of the summer. Eric with his family have gone to stay on 10-acre farm for 7 days holiday. Every morning they get up early to watch the cows being milked. After that, Eric likes to help out with the farm chores. He helps fetch bucket of water from the well, then he pours the water into trough for the cows to drink. Then Eric helps to feed the hens and collect the eggs. He takes the eggs into the kitchen for breakfast. Allie, the farmer's wife, cracks open the eggs by tapping their shell on the side of the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Then everyone eats fried eggs for breakfast. Did you listen to sound in this story? The sound of cracking open the eggs? Eh, eh, eh. Yes, kiddos, this is our today's sound. We are going to learn all about eh in today's lesson. So hold your hands closer and pretend to crack an egg against the side of the pan with one hand and use both hands to open the shell, saying eh, eh, just like this. Remember, I'm saying the sound eh, that is something like this. I'm not saying ah. This is that we did before, and the new sound is eh, eh, eh. Did you hear the difference? Please be careful about this. And now it's time to learn the formation of this letter E. Pick up your index finger, please, and move it along with my finger in the air. Go straight. Then start making a circle. And say the sound E. Let's do it once again. Straight line, move your fingers, please. And then a circle. E. After making the shape of this letter sound, you need to say it E, right? And now here is our first worksheet. If you have this with you, start doing work on this. And if you don't have this, you can write it down on your notebooks. So let's get it started. Straight line, semicircle, eh, 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 eh. Now please write in the blue lines yourself. Straight line and semicircle, eh. You need to start in between the blue lines, okay? Straight line and then start making a circle, eh. Don't touch the red line, neither the upper one nor the lower one. So this is eh. Done. Kudos. Hope you have done it yourself. Now it's time for the second worksheet. Please listen to the sounds in these pictures and then circle the picture with a sound in it. Right? This is a. Egg, duck. Egg, duck. A. Egg. A. Igloo, elephant. Igloo, elephant, elephant, snake, elbow, snake, elbow, elbow, engineer, bike, engineer, bike, engineer, eggplant, carrot, eggplant, carrot, eggplant. Yippee! You did it so well. Let's try the next worksheet now. In this worksheet, you need to put a check below for things that have a sound in them and cross out the others. Right? Now listen to the names of pictures carefully. Elf, elf. Do you hear a in elf? We do hear, so make a check. Bottle, bottle, bottle. We have b sound here, not a. So let's cross it out. This is a box that is empty, 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 empty. Yes, we do have the sound. Books, 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 b and they are not matching. Cross it. Envelope, 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 yes, envelope has a sound. Pillow, pillow, pillow doesn't have a sound. And now it's your time to draw here something that has a in it. Pause the video, take your time and draw something beautifully. I hope you have done it. So now it's time for the most important part of our lesson, and that's blending. So let's try to blend these words with me. P, pet, pet. Quickly. Pet. S, set, set. Quickly. Set. T, te. Ten. Quickly. Ten. Neck. Neck. Quickly. Neck. Here you need to remember something. If you have these two k's together, don't read them as k, k. It's a single sound, okay? So simply say it k, n, e, k, neck. P, a, pa, k, pack. Quickly, pack. S, e, se, k, sick. Quickly, sick. Wow, that was great. Now it's time for some segmenting. So listen to the words and sounds that I'm saying carefully and try to write them down on your notebook or a piece of paper. The first word is pen. Pen. What is the first sound that you hear? P, pe. Pen. After p, we hear pe, e, e. This is how we write it. We have just learned it. Pen, pen. Pen. Let's try to write the word 10. 10. What is the first sound that you hear? 10. T, te, te, e, t. te, ten. Now let's write the letters. T, te, ten. Wow, that is so good. I believe that you are writing it so well. Last word is set. Set. Se, se. Listen to the first two sounds first. Se, s, e, se, s, e, set, 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 set. And you are done. Try to think some other words that you can make with the sounds you already know. And last but not the least, you have this paper to color at home. Please only color in the pictures that have a sound in them. Let me say the names of these pictures once for you. Engine, eggs, flower, elephant, banana. Now listen to the sounds again and color in the right pictures. And now it's time to give you some homework. It's very simple. Please find 5 objects around you that have a sound in them. Secondly, you can have an activity with your mother. Let's ask her if you can crack an egg with her help. And don't forget to say the sound while cracking the egg. Eh, eh, eh. And that's all for our today's lesson. I hope you have got it. If you liked the lesson, so please click the like button as well. I'll see you soon with a new sound. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.